Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing access. Create a Kaggle account and accept any dataset or competition rules you need. Once done, download your Kaggle JSON API token and move it to /. Kaggle / with permissions set to 600 so the CLI can read it. Next, install the Kaggle command line tool via pip and confirm it works with Kaggle version. Make sure to test authentication with Kaggle datasets list to see public datasets. This proves your token and environment are ready to go. You now find the dataset. Search with Kaggle datasets list using keywords, filters, or locate the owner/dataset name identifier. Once identified, run Kaggle datasets download owner/dataset name p/data unzip to fetch and extract directly into your project folder. If you need to refresh files, add force to overwrite. If space is tight, download a subset or stream processing. Make sure file paths are correct. And once the download finishes, inspect the extracted files and metadata to confirm all expected files are present before moving on. You finish by verifying and integrating. Read the dataset metadata, JSON and README to confirm license, citation, and column definitions so you use data correctly. Then load a sample into Pandas PD, read CSV/data/file, CSV, and inspect a few rows to validate encoding, delimiter, and null handling. Once satisfied, organize files into your pipeline or notebook. If something goes wrong, authentication errors, partial downloads, or corruption, re-authenticate, increase CLI timeouts, and re-download with force. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.